Go to Settings, and under Customization, click Modules and Fields. Hover over the Leads module, click the ellipsis, and select Lead Conversion Mapping. Here, you can map the layout and fields to account, contact, and deal. Once you're done, click Save. Go to Settings, and under Customization, click Modules and Fields. Hover over the Deals module, click the ellipsis icon, and select Stage Probability Mapping. To update a stage, modify the corresponding field. To delete a stage, click the minus icon on the right side of the stage. To add a new stage, click the plus icon on the right side of the stage. Enter the stage name, probability %, deal category, and forecast category. Once you've completed your customization, click Save. Go to the module where you want to import records. Click More beside the Create Lead button. Select Import Leads. You can download a sample CSV or XLSX file. Click the Browse button to upload your import file. Once your file is successfully uploaded, click Next. Choose your layout and select what action you want to take with the records. Add as new leads, update existing leads only both. You can also choose to skip duplicate records based on lead ID or email to prevent duplicates. Click Next. Map your fields to the CRM. The fields from your import file will appear on the left. The corresponding fields in Zoho CRM will be on the right. If a field doesn't exist in the CRM, you can either add it before importing or leave it blank. Click Next. If any fields are left unmapped, a warning will appear before proceeding. Data in unmapped fields will not be saved to the CRM. You can also choose to trigger rules or automation for each imported record. Click Finish and wait for the records to be imported. The same process can be done to both the Contacts and the Accounts module. To configure roles and permissions in Zoho CRM, start by going to Settings and under Security Control, click Roles and Sharing. Hover over the role you want to update, then click the pencil icon to edit. Make the necessary changes, such as adjusting user responsibilities or modifying access levels, and click Save once done. For configuring permissions, navigate to Settings, then under Security Control, click Profiles. Select the profile you want to configure and adjust permissions based on your needs. You can set View-Only Access, which allows users to see data without making changes, Full Access to all features, which grants complete control over the CRM, or disable access to specific modules to restrict certain sections. Changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a save button. And that's how you configure roles and permissions in Zoho CRM. With these settings in place, you can ensure your team has the right level of access to work efficiently. To set up an assignment rule in Zoho CRM, go to Settings, and under Automation, select Assignment. Click the Create Assignment Rule button, then choose the Leads module. Enter a name for the assignment rule and decide which records it should apply to, either all records, which applies the rule to every lead, or records matching certain conditions, which applies only to leads that meet specific criteria. Next, determine who will receive the assigned leads. You can assign leads by category, such as specific users, a role, or a group. Or by condition, where leads are assigned based on predefined criteria. To refine the assignment process, you can also check user availability, ensuring leads are assigned based on online status, only to users who are currently online, or shift timing, based on users' work schedules. For better lead management, you can optionally add a follow-up task for the assigned lead. Once everything is set, click Save Rule Entry to complete the setup. And that's it. Your lead assignment rule is now in place, ensuring leads are automatically distributed based on your chosen criteria.